Most people struggle with AI character creation because of one major problem: inconsistency. You generate one amazing photo and you want to try a different pose or background with the same character. Boom! Everything changes. The face, the eyes, even the hair color changes, plus the weight. And this is super frustrating. Trust me, I used to face this exact problem. I tried different AI tools, different prompts, but nothing seems to work. Every time I created a new image, it looked like a completely different person. Not until I discovered a simple method that works every single time. And today, I'm going to be walking you through on the exact process, step by step, so you can create your own AI influencer without spending a dime. Before I continue, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Let's dive in. So the first thing we need is a beautiful, consistent face for our AI model. This is the foundation, and I will show you how to craft one. I'll be using SynthLife for it. All you have to do is to sign up to SynthLife with your Google account and go over to the home page. Over to this AI influencer, click on it, and I'll be creating my AI influencer. Choose your gender. If you want female, click on it. If you want male, click on it. Then I'll go over to age, and I'll be choosing the age of my influencer. You can see they provided different ages which you can choose. Then I will go over to ethnicity, and I'm going to choose African American. Then my eye color, I will choose it, and the hair color. So you have to fill in this thing with something you have in mind. So after filling this in, I will go over to generate face, and I will click on generate face to generate my model. It's gonna take few minutes for SynthLife to generate my model face. So here is my AI model. You can see the face, very neat and beautiful. So you can create as many AI model as you want using SynthLife. But mind you, if you are using the free version, they provide you with only 10 credits. So if you want to create images and also use this SynthLife to create different model, you have to sign up with the pro version. So after creating my AI model, I'm going to show you how to use this to generate as many images as you want. So here is my AI model. I'm going to be using this. So to generate my photo, I'm going to click on generate photo. If you also want to create a video with this AI model, just click on this create video, then paste in your video prompt, or you can type in directly to the prompt box and start generating your video. I will go back and I'm going to click on generate photos. So over to this generate photo, you can see text to image and image to image. If you have your AI model already, you can upload the image there. But since I have my model here, I'm going to click on text to image. Then I'll click on select model. I'm going to be clicking on flux. Then I'll come over to this image prompt, and I'm going to be typing in my prompt. So after typing my prompt, I will go over to the aspect ratio. I'm going to choose 9:16. So I'll click on quantity. If you want 1 or 2, you can just click on it. So I'm going to leave it at 1, and I'm going to click generate to generate my image. You can see my image. You can see the face, and you can see how consistent. Look at this other 2 images. You can see how consistent they look. So I'm going to show you how to use Piclumen to generate a consistent image using your AI model which you generated from SynthLife. And this Piclumen is free of charge. You don't need to pay to use it. To craft a consistent image using Piclumen, I'll first of all change my model. You can choose any model or try any model of your choice. So first of all, I'm going to be choosing Flux. Then I'll click on this Flux model. I'll click on it. Then I'm going to leave my aspect ratio to 9:16, and I'm going to check my image batch. You can check 1 or 2, but if you are using the pro version, you can click on 3 or 4. Then I'll go over to this prompt box. This icon here, I'll click on it. Then I'm going to click on image reference. Over to this choose a file or drop a image, I'm going to click on it to upload my reference image. Once my image is uploaded, I'll click on it. Then after clicking on it, I will go over to strength. I'm going to increase it to 1% so that I will have a consistent image with no alteration in the face, the hair or the body. Then I'm going over to the prompt box. I'm going to type in my prompt. I'm just going to type in what I want my character to put on and the background. After typing in, I'm going to click on this arrow to generate my image. It's going to take few seconds for Piclumen to generate my image. You can see she's shopping in a mall. You can see my image. It looks exactly as my reference image. No change in the hair or the eyes or the nose, anything, is the same thing. So I'm going to generate many images using my reference photo, this lady here, and you will see how consistent they look irrespective of their background and the change in their clothes. You can see how consistent my character looks. So I hope you found this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.